多人因冠病长期后遗症而寻求治疗。受访的诊所表示，过去几个月前来看诊的人次增加了30%。他们是冠病康复几个星期之后，继续出现咳嗽、气喘和感觉疲惫等现象。这家呼吸科诊所发现，从今年初开始爆发奥密克戎疫情之后，每天都会有不少患上冠病长期后遗症的病患前来看诊。
We may address their cough with cough suppressants, and if there is associated airway inflammation, sometimes they would benefit from some controller inhaler medications.
有些病患则寻求物理治疗援助。这家诊所发现，前来看诊的病患大部分是青年或是中年人士。
So they usually come in with breathlessness and fatigue and this incessant cough that does not resolve. So they come in feeling very worried about exercise, and so we teach them breathing exercises to start using their diaphragm to breathe.
国家传染病中心指出，大部分患上后遗症的人，大致上会在3个月或更短的时间之后，身体状况会回到疫情前的情况。
The management for most people who are young and otherwise healthy is more about symptom relief. So that sometimes there's some medication that can help with that. But I think things like physiotherapy can be very helpful for people to get back to their usual activities.
中心指出，目前患上后遗症的人数占总数的8%左右，比过去几个月来得低。这是因为我国疫苗接种率高，而且奥密克戎毒株造成的症状较轻微。